Alright, we're back at it again tonight. Gonna work on a little bit tonight. It was late the other night when I started messing with this. So I'm gonna try and get a little bit more done. Gonna try and finish this here up. Gonna cut it out here and we'll make a piece for that. I'm gonna do mostly just cutting out right now. And so before I really start to replace sheet metal. But anyways, let's get started. Alright, this side here is about the same. I mean, it doesn't look as bad as the other side where it was rotted through real bad, but it's still bubbled up real bad in just about the same amount of area. On the inside, you can see it a little bit better where that A post is at. So it's about as bad as the other side. It just doesn't look as bad. So I'll cut this out and show you what it looks like. All right, be right back. Well, my time-lapse video got interrupted by a phone call, so I had my phone on silent, so I didn't know it was going off, so I didn't stop it. It stopped on its own, I guess, when the phone call came in. But anyways, there it is. It's out. There's the pieces. So I believe this side here was a little bit worse than the other side, even though it didn't appear to be it. But I believe it was. Well, I may not believe into it was a little worse. But anyways, this side over here, on the driver's side, there's a hole right here. It's gonna have to have a little bit of work. There's a hole right here, and there's body braces underneath here, so I have to cut all that out. I'll do all that when I get the dash and clutch and brake pedal out, and the gas pedal and all that stuff, get the column out of it, where I can see a little bit better and have a little more room to move in there. And you can see the light coming through right there. So I had to fix that. Other than that, that's the worst place, I think, so far what I've seen on the seam where the upper tub and the lower part of it's put together. So the other side of it looks real good. It's solid, but there is another place right there. It's probably going to have some attention. It's probably pretty thin right there. So all right, guess might move to the back there and work on that a little bit. All right, see you in a minute. Well, I was going to start taking the dash out, but these are Torx bits, and evidently my Torx bits have sprouted wings. That's all that holds the dash in is Torx bits. But so I won't be doing that tonight, and I believe I'm about done with the sheet metal tonight too. It's gonna be a short night. Got some stuff going on this weekend. Probably won't do a lot of video, and I don't know, might get a chance, but probably won't do a whole lot. But anyways, hey, if you like what you're looking at, subscribe and do the thumbs up or the thumbs down, and If you like it, that's fine. If not, you know, thumbs down then. But anyways, I guess we'll catch y'all later, and I'm gonna call it a night.